This 2024 Forest River XLR Nitro 28DK5 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep's 8, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, microwave, slide-out, air conditioning, oven, leveling jacks, water heater, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, and 102 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River XLR Nitro 28DK5 is 10,722 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.